In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Wix mobile menu dropdown. First, open your website in the Wix editor so you can access all of your header and menu settings in one place. Before we switch to mobile, it's important to understand that changes you make to your site menu structure on desktop will also affect the mobile view. That means if you add, remove, or reorganize menu items here, those updates will carry over to your mobile menu as well. Next, click the menu in your header and choose Manage Menu. This is where you control the organization of your site navigation. To create a dropdown, click Add Menu Item and then select Add Dropdown. Once the new dropdown appears, rename it to match the section you want visitors to see. After that, drag the relevant site pages directly underneath it and slightly to the right. That nesting action places those pages inside the dropdown, which helps keep your navigation cleaner and easier to browse. Once your menu structure is set, go to the very top of your screen and click the mobile icon to switch into the mobile view. This lets you preview and style the version of your site that visitors will see on phones. Now click the mobile menu icon on your canvas and select the design option. Here, you can choose from preset styles if you want a fast update or click Customize Design for more control. You will be able to adjust the colors, opacity, and borders for both the open and closed states of the icon. This is useful because the icon should feel consistent with your branding while still being easy to spot and tap on a small screen. Then click the mobile menu icon again and select Edit Menu. Then go to Design. In this area, you can style the menu box, which is the container that drops down when the menu opens. Customize the background fill, corner roundness, and shadow effects so the menu feels polished and visually aligned with the rest of your site. Under the regular design panel, adjust the fonts, colors, and line spacing. This step is especially important on mobile, where readability matters most. Choose text styles that are clear, well-spaced, and easy to scan quickly. A clean mobile menu not only looks better, but also helps visitors find what they need without frustration. After making these adjustments, review the overall appearance to make sure everything feels balanced and user-friendly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.